Yes, hello everyone. It's Rajiz Amar, and the topic that we're about to start today is known as coordinate geometry. Now, as you know by the name, it has a lot to do with geometry. It has a lot to do with graphs. What we're doing today is we're dealing with mainly graphs today, right? So, in order to know coordinate geometry, the first thing that you got to know is the use of graphs and how will we work with graphs. So, what we'll do is before getting into the core topic of coordinate geometry, we'll go into graphs and see if we know how to deal with them. So here we have a graph sheet. Let's try working with this. All right, so let's use this much of the graph for now. What we're doing right now is we're just seeing if we know how to use the graph correctly. So this is 0, 0. We all know this is the x-axis. The horizontal line will always be your x-axis. The vertical line will be your y-axis. So let's start with our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, respectively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This has to go better, but that's all right. Okay. So now, if I tell you that we need coordinates 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 2, 5, 8, 6, 4, 9, and 10. So now these coordinates, if you have to plot, how would we do this? I'll keep this a bit bigger and let's use green over here. So first of all, 2, 3. The first number, the first coordinate that is given to you, this is always the x-axis and the second one is your y-axis. So now let's use this accordingly, 2 and 3. So 2 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis, this is your coordinate. Then 4 on the x-axis, 8 on the y-axis, this is your coordinate. 7 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, this is your coordinate. So these are basically what you're doing, or what you're making is basically your coordinates. If I say this is A, this is B, this is C, then this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. According to that, D, E, F, try to yourself and see if you can pull this off, because obviously this is something graphs, if you are just about to start graphs, then this is something that you really need to be good at, or you need to have a good command over your graphs before starting coordinate geometry mainly, right?